Alright, so now we have the problem 643 divided by 75. I'm going to write it in a different form just because it makes it easier to solve. 643 divided by, oh, it's a little bit too close. Alright, I'll move it over. 643 by 75. Alright, so here what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and figure out the biggest possible number I can get to divide 643 by. So I'm just going to double 75, see what I can get. 75 times 2 is 150. Let's try doubling 150. That equals 300, and then if we double 300, we get 600, which is pretty close to 643. So 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. So we can, now we know that 75 times 8 equals 600, and that's what we're going to use. We're going to use 8, and then we're going to subtract 643 by 600. So 3 minus 0 is just 3, 40 minus 0 is just 40, 600 minus 600 is 0. So the answer that we get is 8 remainder 43.